long time no see. So, andito ko ngayon sa neighborhood namin sa Phnom Penh, sa Tinghut. Yan. It's around 7 PM ngayon. At pawis na pawis ako kasi I'm biking. Ito ang bike ko. Yan. Super. Yeah. Hindi ko makuha yung buong bike. Pero, I was out biking kasi meron akong na-curious na bagay ng mga rich kids at mga medyo rich kids ngayon. And I became curious about it kasi syempre as part of our studying of their culture, culture ng different people sa mundo. So, isa doon yung mga kabataan. And siguro yung mga hindi na masyado kabataan, they are having this thing as their collector's items these days. So, ito yung mga Hirono, yung mga Nomi Baby, mga Baby Tree. So, I'm really new about these things. Ito lang yung mga medyo alam ko. So, kanina, I was told about the place dito sa malapit sa amin na nagbebenta nga ng mga ganong items. So, I checked it out kasi it's just like 100 meters away from our house. So, I checked Hello Coco, and ang dami pala noon kasi naalala ko yung kapatid ko palagi niyang tinatanong kung meron ba daw nandito. Sabi ko, hindi ko alam, wala akong idea. So, ng isang araw, yung mga students ko, yung maliliit kong babies, ay may pinakita sa aking box. So, it was a blind box. And I took a video of them opening it. Hi, good afternoon. We are with the K2. Say hi. Hi. And they got some... Okay. They got little box here. And what is it called? You don't know? I don't know. It's a mysterious box. And when we open it, sobrang excited sila. Sabi ko, ang cute naman. Sabi ko, alamin ko nga kung saan nila nakuha yun. And I also thought of getting something from there. Kaso, nung pagpasok ko sa Hello Coco, nagulat ako, mahal nga pala talaga yung mga items na yon. And sabi ko, just to feed my curiosity, so, I will buy something from the shop. And also, I've been in the shop for almost an hour kasi nag-explore nga ako ng mga items nila. Sabi ko, nakakaya naman na lumabas ako ng shop na wala akong bitbit. So, I took one, oh wait, nandito yun. I took one box. Wait, binubuksan ko. Yung box na napili ko, ito yung parang isa sa pinakamura doon. Kasi they're ranging from $4 to $20. May nakita pa nga akong $40+. Grabe naman to, ang mamahal. So, nakita ko to. This is only $4. Siguro sa peso, it's only 240 pesos. So, cute lang siya, maliit. So, ito yung napili ko kasi ito lang yung walang display. So, sabi ko, para todo yung surprise, diba, sa pag-open ng blind box. Para hindi ko talaga siya nakita kung ano yun. Wala akong idea kung anong itsura niya. So, ito yung pinili ko. So, let's go siguro mamaya or bukas. Kasi, paalis kami ng maaga to Vietnam. Siguro, I'll try to open it pag nasa Vietnam na. Sorry sa mga dumadaan na motor. So, bubuksan ko siya and I'll show you what's inside the box. Okay?
Three.
Okay.
Hello everyone. Hello. I'm
Okay.
Priya. And Leia. I am. Hold on. So today we're gonna unboxing Teacher Lani's Yaya's thingy.
Yeah.
I don't know.
This is my second one.
Yes,
I have one, I forgot the name. It's Fruity something. And I got the grandma.
Yeah.
So we're gonna
Yaya.
unbox this one. It's Yaya.
Yeah.
Which one do you think it is?
Me? I think I want the.
I like the white one.
I want.
This.
Wait. I want
one?
Vivi. I want Vivi.
Which one?
I want
Priya.
one, and the one. I want this one. I want Vivi.
Which one?
I think
Priya?
I want this
Look-
one.
Look at the...
No, I changed my mind. I want Coco. Teacher, I want Coco. I want Coco.
Don't move our camera.
I want Coco.
Okay, don't move the table.
I want Coco. I want Coco. I want Coco. I want Jojo. I think.
You show them.
Secret.
The secret one.
Yeah.
How about you, Bea?
This one.
Stop eating your ID.
Teacher, I want this one. I want the big Jojo.
Ah, this one. Bea likes this one. Me too. I want this one. Okay, are you ready?
Yes. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God.
Wait. Don't cover it. Yeah. You sit down. Let's sit down. Bea, stop eating your ID. Okay, just look there.
Okay, so we are
Yeah.
gonna. What's that? Magic.
Oh, wait.
Tôi dám mấy bình ngặt là
Wait,
thân
I'll
con
do
sao
it.
tê, con ăn là kê tê. You got Coco.
Oh, here.
Coco.
Can you hear it?
Yes.
ASMR.
Wait, is this one Coco because Coco?
You feel it, Bea. Feel it.
This feel like I wanna
Feel it.
I feel like Coco.
Is it Coco?
Oh, yes. Okay. Yeah, like this one. Oh no!
Let's show them.
You said that changes the eyes. That changes their eyes. Oh, this is change their eyes.
What's the name?
Coco.
Coco.
Here, Coco. Coco. Nó đô còn nằm còn
So
cái
cute, yeah?
Yeah. Teacher, can you have this? This is some teacher. I need that one. This is like this. I want boxing
Okay.
too. Like I.
Okay, show them.
What do you? Yeah, this is
Is it a good
Coco.
one? Thumbs up if you like it.
Yeah. You buy it in Hello Coco.
I got it from Hello Coco.
Wow, so beautiful. I like the bangs. And this is Coco. Coco. You got this.
Yeah.
But it's fun. I like the secret too. I want this.
I think I wanna start collecting this one. It's so cute.
Yeah, exactly. Teacher. Are you buying
Okay,
Hello
let's say
Coco?
goodbye now. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Always remember, you are loved, you are important, and you are the future.
Yeah.